Yo, what is going on, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a fat minute since you've seen me, but trust me, I've been doing a lot behind the scenes to get you content for you guys. So today we're gonna be tearing down this 6.0 that I got from one of my homies. We also got a 5.3 sitting down there that I got from one of my other friends. I can't remember if that big block was in another video of mine, but we also got a big block from the same buddy of mine that I got the 6.0 from. But yeah, the big block will be going in my Nova whenever that happens as a meantime motor, and then a whole bunch more shit with that. But yeah, today we'll be doing a little time-lapse video. Never done a time-lapse in my life, so hopefully it turns out pretty well. But yeah, I'll tell you a little bit about what's going on with Blazer. Not much, honestly, besides we were in the middle of taking all the Pro Charger stuff off. Not all of it, but the head unit itself, because we kind of had a major boost leak coming out of there. Some people said it's normal, some people said it's not. I'm pretty sure a pressurized system's supposed to keep the pressure in and not release it to the atmosphere, so you can put 2 and 2 together on that one. But since we had to take it off and we're going to be resealing it and stuff, I originally was going to polish it next year, but I was like, well, if we're pulling it off, we might as well polish it now. So me and my neighbor have been doing that. He's been teaching me how to polish stuff, so that thing's going to look killer in here. After I put it back in here, I'm going to want to polish everything else. I'll show you the list of stuff that we'll be doing for the winter. Probably creeping in the spring, knowing how slow I am, but it is what it is. Don't want to get too deep into that. I'll make a separate video about that probably as time goes on and I start doing more stuff to it. But that's a little rundown on the Blazer. So not much has been done, minus me pulling the Pro Charger off and doing a little bit of polishing and stuff to it. But how about we get into tearing into that 6.0 over there. So let me give you a quick little rundown on this mess that we got going on here. So when I got it, had a good set of heads on, which it has a good set of heads. 243s are pretty good heads. And also inside, it's got a Texas speed cam. Don't know the specs on it. I'll just have to pull the cam out and see the part number that's on the end of it. With those cylinder heads that are on there, it's got upgraded valve springs for that cam upgrade. But other than that, it's all stock. I just want to get tearing into this, so let's get it started. See that gray, pasty looking stuff? That's not too good. That's not ideal. Does have a TSP cam. Another fact about this engine, I was right about it running last time, or ran last time. The truck that was in, they ran a dry of oil. That explains the metal shavings were in the pickup tube and all that. I want to show you guys how much metal is in there. I don't know if you can see all that sparkly stuff. That's a lot of metal in there. Whoops. Here's that really moldy piston. I've never seen that before. So that's pretty interesting. Here's what the main bearings look like. First one I pulled off. Here's the second main bearing. Third one. That one's a little bit more beat up. Fourth main bearing. All right, y'all, I just got done cleaning the crank journals off kind of quick so you can see what the damage looks like. I'm not gonna move it all around because got my camera in my hand. I don't want to get my hands all greasy again, but just want to show you guys what it looks like. That one is pretty beat up. Some decent scarring right there. And lastly, so yeah, that's that. I just gotta figure out how to take this guy out here and then that sensor. So otherwise, yeah, it's all completely tore apart and ready for the cool stuff to be done with it. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.